Are you stuck in a cycle of hesitation, watching opportunities slip away because you are too scared to take that first step? If you don't overcome this fear, you'll stay exactly where you are, frustrated, stressed, and wondering, what if, for the rest of your life? But here is the good news, it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to silence those negative thoughts holding you back, overcome the fear of starting something new, and take action with confidence. Stick around because if you follow what I shared today, you will unlock a version of yourself that is ready to tackle anything. Let's get started. In this video, we will discuss 6 points to overcome this fear. Point number 1, acknowledge the fear. Why it actually happens. First, let me get one thing straight. I will not give you the bullshit like man doesn't fear like that. Fear is normal. It's your brain way of protecting you from uncertainty and failure. But the problem arises when fear becomes irrational and starts controlling your decisions. Think about it, whether it's starting a new job, launching a business, or even stepping into the gym for the first time, fear convinces you it's safer to stay where you are. But in reality, it is not actually the fear which is stopping you. It's the negative thoughts it brings with it that holds the real power. Let's dive into those. Point number 2, negative thoughts, the real enemy. Negative thoughts are like the sneaky liars defending your fear. They whisper things like, what if you fail? Or you are not ready yet. But my friend, the reality is these thoughts are assumptions, not really facts. Here is a quick question. How many times have those what ifs actually come true? Probably less than you think. Now, the key is to stop believing those thoughts and start questioning them. And that leads us to the next step, putting them on trial. Point number 3, put your negative thoughts on trial. Imagine yourself standing in a courtroom where your negative thought is the defendant. Instead of blindly accepting it, ask for evidence. For example, if the thought is I'll fail, ask yourself, what proof do I have that I will fail? Absolutely no. There is no proof. More often than not, you will realize there is no real evidence, only fear of the unknown. And once you identify that, you weaken the thought's power over you. But putting your thoughts on trial isn't enough. You also need to shift your mindset to replace fear with action. And here comes my 4th point. Reframe fear as a challenge. And this is the most useful tip I can give you. Instead of seeing fear as a wall, see it as a door. Fear doesn't mean stop. It means you are about to grow. Think about the first time you learned to ride a bike. You were scared. But once you pushed through, you discovered freedom on 2 wheels. And my friend, starting something new works the same way. The moment you frame fear as a growth, you turn it into an ally instead of an enemy. And speaking of action, let's get the most important step, starting small. Point number 5, start small and build momentum. The fear of starting something new often comes from the overwhelming feeling of doing too much at once. So, start small. Like I can explain it with an example. If you want to start working out, don't aim for 2-hour gym session, start with a 10-minute walk. If you want to write a book, begin with a paragraph per day. Once you take that first step, you will notice something amazing, which is called momentum. It's like pushing a car. The hardest part is getting it moving, but once it starts rolling, it's much easier to keep going. Point number 6 and last one, celebrate progress, not perfection. Focus on progress over perfection. Here is a crucial reminder, you don't have to get it perfect, you just have to get it going. Celebrate small wins along the way, like showing up consistently or learning something new. Remember this for your whole life. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. And every step forward will be count. To wrap it up, remember, fear is natural, but it doesn't have to control you. Acknowledge it, question your negative thoughts, reframe fear as a challenge, and start small. Most importantly, don't wait for perfection, just begin. The first step may feel scary, but it's also the step that will lead you closer to your goals and dreams. So, will you start today or not? Comment down. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more self-improvement tips, and share it with someone who needs a little push. To overcome their fear, let's keep growing together.